Good morning. This is Bhumika Patel, founder of Guide Runners India. Welcome to the Virtual Run for Community, the second edition, a first of its kind run series, tribute to COVID warriors, healthcare workers, by visually impaired, and the guide runners. You guys absolutely rocked our first edition of the virtual run, which was on the 12th of September 2020, where approximately 1,000 people participated across India, supported internationally. The response from the VIs was so overwhelming that our team, Guide Runners India, brings you another edition, which is the Virtual Run for Community 2. I welcome you all again who have joined us from different parts of India and abroad. Participants will be awarded a Braille e-medal certificate for completing the run 30 minutes or 60 minutes duration. And we are happy to announce that we have launched a new web portal with where virtual guides to be paired with visually impaired and track their progress. And there's more exciting news coming up next week. Do watch out for the announcement. Prior to the run, the guidelines have been shared with the guides and the visually impaired for their safety during the run or walk in this COVID times. Kindly do follow those guidelines. And I'm very excited to say that today we have for the flag off with us very privileged and esteemed guest, corporate leader, triathlete, cancer survivor, Terry Perry from New York, USA. We have Shobha Kalro, National President, SCI, President, Ladies Wing, Sindhi Madhu Sangam, who was going to join us. But unfortunately, she had an health issue, so she has conveyed her best wishes to us. We wish her fast recovery. We also have the very charming Divya Sharma, eminent TV actor, with us for the flag off, visually impaired ultramarathoner Amarjeet Singh Ji from Mumbai. Swapnil Shah, founder, All India Chess Federation for the Blind, all the way from Mumbai for the flag off. Special mention to some of the guests who have joined us, very good athletes, international athletes, John David, General Secretary, Cricket Association for the Blind in India, Neha Pavaskar, record holder in adventure sports, Miss Madhu Singhal ji, founder of Mitra Jyoti, two-time president awardee for encouraging the team. Before we flag off, we have a very interesting session led by Ashima from Delhi, Varsha Manurkar from Mumbai, Shobha from Bengaluru, and Rupa from Surat. These guide runner leads from different locations will lead a very interesting warm-up session in two languages, Hindi and English for you. So do follow that, and all the best. Keep it up.
Morning, everyone. Let's begin the event with a warm up. So, first, we do the neck rotation. Your hands need to be on the waist, your feet shoulder width apart, and we do this neck rotation 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti clockwise.
सभी को शुभ प्रभात। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं वार्म अप से। हम गर्दन को घुमाने से शुरू करेंगे। अपने दोनों हाथों को कमर पर रखिए, अपने पैरों को कंधों की चौड़ाई से अलग करिए और गर्दन को हम दाएं से बाएं की तरफ 3 बार घुमाएंगे और बाएं से दाएं की तरफ 3 बार।
Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Now, next your neck. We will now do the shoulder rotation. Put your hands on the shoulders and we rotate the shoulder 3 times front, 3 times to the back.
अब हम कंधों को घुमाने का वर्कआउट करेंगे। दोनों अपने हाथों को कंधों पर रखिए और इन्हें 3 बार सामने की तरफ घुमाएंगे और 3 बार पीछे की तरफ।
Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Now Relax your shoulders. We will do the arm circles. Stretch your arms to your sides. We will do the arm circles 8 times front, 8 times back.
अब हम हाथों को सर्कल बनाएंगे। दोनों हाथों को इस तरह से फैलाइए और 8 बार आगे की तरफ और 8 बार पीछे की तरफ सर्कल बनाएंगे।
Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax your arms to the sides. Now we will do front and back bending. Hands to the waist. We will do 8 forward fronts and 8 backward bends.
अब हम आगे और पीछे की तरफ झुकाएंगे अपनी कमर को। 3 बार आगे की तरफ और 3 बार पीछे की तरफ।
Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Relax your body. Bring your hands to the side. We will now do waist rotation. We will do 8 rotations clockwise, 8 rotations anti-clockwise. Your hands to the waist.
अब हम कमर को घुमाते हुए एक बड़ा गोल बनाएंगे। आपके दोनों हाथ कमर पर रखिए। 8 दाहिने तरफ से और 8 बाईने तरफ से।
Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's do the next warm up. Stretch your legs. We'll touch the alternate toes. Right toe with left hand, left toe with right hand. We'll do both the side 8 times.
अभी हमारे पैरों को फैला देंगे। दाहिना हाथ बाएं पैर को लगेगा, बायां हाथ दाहिने पैर को लगेगा। इस तरह से हम 8 बार करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9,
9,
10,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Let's go to the next workout. We'll do the forward lunges. Stand this way, so you will be able to see comfortably. We will be doing 8 times, both this leg with both the legs. First, take your right leg back, knee down, tuck your toes, come perfectly. Now come back, both the leg front. The same way we'll do for left leg, and come back.
खड़े रहिए, अपने बाएं पैर को पीछे लीजिए और अपने घुटनों को नीचे छोड़ दीजिए। फिर आएंगे ऊपर, फिर दायां पैर लेंगे, फिर घुटनों को नीचे रखें। इस तरह से हम 8 बार करेंगे। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8।
Let's do the next workout. We'll do the calf muscles. Raise, stretch, stand like this only. Both the hands, don't keep it here, comfortable. We'll raise the heel and go on toes, pulling the calf muscle up, putting all the weight on the toes.
अपने दोनों पैरों को जोड़ दीजिए, अपने कमर पे हाथ और अपने एड़ियों को ऊपर लेना है। इस तरह से 8 बार करेंगे। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8।
Relax. Now let's sit down to the mat before the stretching the toes and ankles. Stretch
आइए,
your legs.
अपने मैट पे बैठ जाते हैं। अपने पैरों को सीधा रखिए, हाथ दोनों अपने शरीर के साइड में, पैरों को पूरी तरह से आगे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कीजिए, पीछे की तरफ। 1
Stretch your chest front and pull it back. We'll do this 8 times.
8 बार करेंगे हम इस तरह से आगे और पीछे। चलिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8।
Now let's rotate the ankles, both the legs together, keep both the feet and rotate it together clockwise 4 times and anti-clockwise 4 times.
दोनों पैरों को जोड़ दीजिए, उसको गोल घुमाइए, एड़ियों में आपके गोल गोल, एड़ियों से गोल गोल घूमना है। एक साइड से दाएं तरफ से 4 बार, बाएं तरफ से 4 बार। चलिए स्टार्ट। 1 2 3 4। उल्टा घुमाइए। 1 2 3 4।
Now we have done with the warm up almost. Come stand up everyone. Let's jog.
खत्म हो गया है। चलिए थोड़ा सा हम जॉगिंग कर लेते हैं, एक ही जगह पे खड़े होके।
Now let's get ready for the run. So come everyone.
फ्लैग ऑफ के लिए रेडी रहेंगे। आज के दौड़ के लिए शुभकामनाएं। ऑल द बेस्ट।
All the best, everyone.
For the race.
All the best everyone for the today's run.
आज के दिन की शुभकामनाएं। फ्लैग ऑफ की तरफ चलिए अभी।
And do not forget to cool down after the run. All the best again.